Wow, it's getting really tall back here. It's definitely taller than I am in some of these spots, and I can see some of these stalks going up that are almost as tall as the house. Man, this backyard probably hasn't been mowed in a couple years, but I think we can go ahead and get this cleaned up and looking a lot better for the neighborhood. Let's do it.
Hey everyone, Spencer here with SB Mowing, and I was doing a lot of work in this area when the neighborhood association caught on and reached out. They told me they are huge fans of my work and thanked me for helping out their community. The neighborhood is an affordable housing development, and the developer long ago made sure that people that couldn't get bank loans had the chance to rent to own so that they could have their own property. I asked if there were any other homes in the area that needed my help, and they gave me the address of this house. I guess two siblings are having a dispute over it, so they can't get it sold. It's been broken into many times, the grass never gets cut, and it's the worst looking home in the entire neighborhood. So I thought I would give it a facelift and turn this crack house into a crack home. So if you haven't done so yet, be sure to click that follow button for me, as it's the best way to support this work that I do. And be sure to stay until the very end of this video to see the awesome before and after photos. Anyways, I hope you'll enjoy this one, and I'll see you next time. SB Mowing, out.